Stop deleting your favorite apps just to make room on your smart TV. Seriously, you don't need a brand new television, and you definitely don't need to be a tech genius to fix this. In just a few seconds, I'm going to show you a hidden, incredibly simple trick using something you already have lying around your house that will instantly multiply your TV's storage. Trust me, you do not want to miss the final step, because if you get it wrong, you could lose everything. Let's dive right in.